So with Facebook, we can actually find viral content, and I've made a killing reposting viral content and leveraging viral content to work for affiliate products. So I'm going to show you one of my campaigns right now so you can see how I leverage this viral traffic to earn conversions and earn affiliate commissions. So I want you to start thinking about, if you decide you wanted to use some viral videos, how can I take this viral video and how can I put a creative twist on this offer and make it work for an affiliate product that I'm promoting? Whether you're promoting a self-development, wealth offer, health offer, or even the offer I'm going to show you. But it's all about getting your head spinning and then taking that creative twist and leveraging those viral videos for your affiliate offers. I want you to think about, what viral content have you seen on Facebook that has caught your attention? Was it a funny video? Was it an inspirational video? And think about that and look for viral fan pages. There's a ton of them on Facebook. And then what I did is I took this content and I leveraged it. So let's dive right in. Spying on viral traffic. There are Facebook pages out there that get thousands, millions of views every day. And a few pages are Goalcast, and they're all over Facebook. But what we can do is we can go to these pages and we can see what they're promoting, and we can see how we can leverage that. Now we need to look for big pages, and then we need to leverage the viral videos. So I'm going to show you an example of exactly what I did. So now what I did is I searched and I found the page named Goalcast, and what Goalcast does is they post viral videos. So let's just click into Goalcast actually. So let's just click on, you want to head right over to the videos tab. This is exactly what I do. So now all these people on here, they all have different type of videos. They're all motivational. So what I actually did was, I was pretty clever. I found a video with a person on here. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. Let me scroll down the exact video I did. So here it is right here. Light Up Your Night, 57 million views. Now think about how powerful that is. I hated that job and I clung to that job. So this is the video that I used, and what I did is I created a niche fan page that targeted that audience. So throughout the entire video, he explains that he gave everything up and he wanted to be an actor and he put everything on the line. There was no plan B for him. So what I did is I leveraged that. I created a niche fan page, and the offer I promoted was in Peerfly. And this is the actual offer. The offer was called Casting 360. I got paid $1, and I actually got a pay bump on it. A lot of people didn't get a pay bump on it, but I actually got a pay bump, and they wouldn't give me $1.50 is what I wanted, so I quit running it. When these networks, they give you a 10 cent, 15 cent, 25 cent bump, they're really sticklers on this. So how this offer works is when someone signs up, they call you and they try to close you in a higher ticket sale. So that's why they pay for those leads on the front end. So I took that viral video, I made a fan page, and I leveraged it. So I made a fan page now hiring movie extras and actors models. I ran this offer a while back. Now keep in mind, my landing page was very simple, very consistent. Orange button color, orange atmosphere. Now they had multiple different landing pages, the actual product owner, but as you can see, I leveraged a viral video. I used that video to get viral traffic because I already knew that when I ran it, the video had around 10, 15 million views. I knew the video was going to go even more viral. So I leveraged off of that. Now think of the targeting you could do with that. It's very powerful. You could target their fans, people who may be interested, people who may be interested in acting. There's so many different variations that you could actually test with that. So think about viral traffic. Make sure come here and check out all these videos. I mean, there's some with 30 million views. Look at this video right here, 42 million views. Now, what could you do if you had 42 million views going to an affiliate product that you were promoting? All you have to do is build the right funnel and the right storyline to funnel that traffic. And that's exactly what I did with this right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.